TikTok isn't just another social media app. It's the biggest cheat code in making money online that we've ever seen. Right now, people just like you are earning thousands, building brands, and creating freedom for themselves, all from posting videos. But let me tell you, with TikTok's future in the US uncertain, the time to take advantage is right now. And if you stick with me, I'm going to show you not only how to tap into this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to make money on TikTok today, but I'll also show you how to create an online income stream that lasts no matter what happens. So let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so one of the most powerful ways to monetize TikTok right now is through the TikTok Shop affiliate program. TikTok is doubling down on this feature in 2025, making it the ultimate opportunity for anyone who doesn't have their own product, but wants to start making real money online. And here's how it works. Sellers on TikTok are actively searching for creators like you to promote their product in exchange for commissions. And we're not talking about no small payouts here. I mean, these commissions, they typically range from 15 to 30%, and for experienced affiliates, sometimes even higher. Once you're accepted into the program, you'll gain immediate access to a marketplace filled with products across a wide variety of niches. From there, you can pick the products that you want to promote, add them to your showcase, and start creating content around them. Most sellers will even provide you with free or discounted samples of their products, so you can create videos without needing to invest any type of money up front. What's even better is that as you start building a track record of successful promotions, your ability to negotiate higher commission rates increases. That means more money for the same amount of effort and the chance to truly scale your earnings. So for those of you who are looking to monetize your creativity without dealing with inventory, shipping, or customer service, this is what you should be putting your time and efforts into. And signing up for the TikTok Shop affiliate program, it is super straightforward. All you have to do is head over to TikTok's business suite and navigate to the TikTok Shop affiliate program section. Then just submit your application, including the details about your account and the niches that you're interested in promoting. TikTok typically reviews applications quickly, and once you're approved, you'll have access to a marketplace of products ready for promotion. Now it's just up to you to start building relationships with sellers, negotiate commissions, and fill your showcase with products that you're looking to promote so you can finally start making money on TikTok. Now, let's talk about TikTok Shop itself, which has become the go-to platform for small business owners, influencers, and entrepreneurs to sell products directly through their content. Whether you're into handmade goods, trending items, or dropshipping, TikTok Shop allows you to seamlessly link your products to your videos, so viewers can make purchases with just one click. And TikTok Shop is going to be game-changing in 2025 because TikTok's algorithm is still unmatched when it comes to putting your content in front of the right audience. I mean, you've seen it, I've seen it, we've all seen it. Literally every other scroll on TikTok is putting a TikTok Shop promotion right in front of you. And a single viral video has the potential to drive thousands, if not millions of eyes to your product. And unlike traditional e-commerce, you don't need a massive ad budget to make this work. TikTok Shop has even made impulse buying easier than ever with features like Apple Pay and Google Pay integration. That means that your customers can complete their purchases in seconds, reducing cart abandonment and increasing your sales. Because the faster and simpler the buying process, the more likely that your views are going to convert. So to get started with TikTok Shop, the first step is create an account through the TikTok Shop Seller Center. You'll need to provide some basic details such as your name, business name, and email address. And then once your account is verified, you'll just link your bank account to ensure that you can securely receive payments for the products that you are selling. TikTok makes this process straightforward, so you can move on to setting up your shop with ease. This involves adding in your product listings, complete with high quality images, detailed descriptions, pricing, and shipping information. And TikTok Shop's interface is gonna walk you through each step to ensure that everything is set up seamlessly. But you could take things to the next level by integrating CapCut Commerce Pro into your workflow. With CapCut Commerce Pro, you could create engaging, high quality videos using AI that showcase your products in the best light. You can even schedule your content in advance and connect it directly to your TikTok Shop, all from one platform. I even created an entire video showing you how to create viral ads using this platform for TikTok right here for you to go ahead and check out right after this video. Ultimately, this just streamlines your process and saves you time, allowing you to focus on growing your business. And after your shop is live, you can even use CapCut Commerce Pro to create content tailored to your audience without ever having to be in them, which then you can then link your products directly to your videos right after posting. This means that viewers can easily click on your product links while watching, making the buying process simple and quick. I'm telling you right now, TikTok Shop is a powerful tool that has simplified the process of turning views into revenue, and it's changed the lives of people every single day. Now, the next way that you can start making money with TikTok is by signing up for TikTok's creativity program. This is by far one of the best opportunities for creators who are already putting effort into their content, but aren't yet getting paid for it. First off, let's just talk about what it takes to qualify for the creativity program. Now, TikTok does have specific requirements in place to make sure that the program is beneficial for both creators and viewers. And you need to be able to meet these qualifications of first, you have to be at least 18 years old. Second, your account needs a minimum of 10,000 authentic followers. And lastly, you should have at least 100,000 authentic video viewers over the past 30 days. And you have to live in a country where the creativity program is available. So if you meet all of this criteria, you can apply directly with the TikTok app through the Creator Tools section. Then once you're in, you'll need to create videos that align with TikTok's program standards. Your videos have to be at least 1 minute long, gain a minimum of 1,000 For You page views, and adhere to TikTok's quality guidelines. All this content also has to be 100% original, so no duets, stitches, or paid promotional content. Now, here's where things get exciting. TikTok measures how much you'll earn through RPM, or revenue per 1,000 impressions. This means that the more creative and engaging that your content is, the higher that your RPM can go. So some creators in specific niches, they're earning up to $17 per 1,000 views. And those numbers add up fast. Now look, I get it, trust me. I know a lot of you might be starting out small and you don't have a big following just yet. But let me tell you this, the key is consistency. Every day that you stay consistent and you focus on posting high quality content, you're already gonna be one step closer to hitting that 10,000 follower milestone and turning your efforts into real income. So keep at it, because the results will come. Now, if you're already eligible, do not sleep on this opportunity. All you have to do to apply is just head to your TikTok profile, tap the menu button, and navigate to the Creator Tools section. From there, just select Creativity Program Beta and follow the prompts to submit your application. TikTok typically reviews applications within a few days, so you could be just one application away from turning your content into money in your pocket. All right, guys, the final way that you could be making money on TikTok right now is through paid ads. TikTok's paid and organic marketing options are where it's at. I mean, that's really all there is to it. Paid TikTok ads are significantly more affordable while still being incredibly effective at targeting the right audience. Combine that with consistent organic content, and you've got a powerful strategy to drive traffic to your store. And this strategy, it has worked time and time again, with students in my mentorship program seeing massive successes by leveraging both paid and organic TikTok strategies. Take my student Clavi, for example. I mean, she went from zero to generating over $15,000 in sales and $2,000 in profit in just 30 days. And you know I got you covered. I actually already created an entire tutorial showing you how to leverage paid and organic TikTok ads for any product that you're selling right here so you can start generating results like Clavi. But if you're ready to take your journey to the next level and you want personalized one-on-one guidance to consistently making money online and change your life no matter your experience level, just like thousands of my students have, then go ahead and click on the first link in my description to apply for one of my limited coaching spots. Now, let me just keep it real with you. The opportunity to scale your business on TikTok has never been better, but you have to take action right now. Now, with that being said, I know a lot of you are wondering the same thing. What happens if TikTok's future in the US isn't guaranteed? Well, listen to this. Not having TikTok doesn't stop you from making money online. That's why having a backup plan is crucial. And running Facebook ads, this is the move to keep your income steady no matter what happens. Unlike TikTok, Facebook has already been around for years, and it continues to be one of the most stable platforms for making money online. And what sets Facebook apart is its ability to handle both quick wins and long-term growth. And with its advanced ad targeting, you can still reach profitable audiences that make every dollar that you spend work harder for you. Plus, with tools like Facebook Marketplace and groups, you can run ads, drive traffic, and build a business model that's both scalable and sustainable. And the thing about Facebook is that it's not just about riding a wave of trends. It is built to last. With its massive global user base and consistent performance, it makes it the perfect platform for anyone serious about creating a business that thrives for years, no matter what changes come to social media. And while TikTok offers plenty of ways to make money right now, if you're serious about building a business with longevity, Facebook is a platform that you need to focus on. It's already helped countless entrepreneurs scale to success, showing consistent year-over-year revenue growth across e-commerce industries. So the real question is, why not you? So if you're ready to take the next steps, meet me in my full course of dropshipping and Facebook ads, all linked right here. And I'll be walking through everything that you need to know how to get started and building a business that lasts. I'll see you there. This is AC with Supreme Ecom, and I'm out.